girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review from Luvme Hair. I know y'all seen all the advertisements for it and your friends may even have a wig or two from there, but today, girl, I'm going to be showing you the headband wig that everybody's talking about, but mine is really cute. It's a wet and wavy headband wig. Now you can go on their website and you can order this. I got this in a 16-inch and like I said, it is the wet and wavy. So I'm gonna get right into the video. So first, this is the box that it comes in, and it has a purple ribbon around it and it says Luvme Hair. I think this is the best part about the hair company. They take so much pride in their packaging, and you're gonna see why. I'm gonna just open it up for you. So I'm gonna open the box. First thing you see is a little leaflet that says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. So I think that's really cute. A little note. And then opening it up, you have your hair in like a little organza bag. So it's protected. That's really cute. You also, with this wig, the headband wigs, they're doing a promotion now where you get 5 free headbands to go with it. So how it is, it's like a black band that's already attached to it, but it's kind of ugly, so they know you want to spruce it up a little bit, so they give you some headbands to go with it. You'll see it in a minute when I undo it. Okay, so I got these 5 bands. I got this really pretty yellow one with like some flowers on it. I also got this other yellow one, but this one is, it's like a knitted one. It's a little thicker, so it has yellow, blue, and like green leaves. That's really cute too. Ooh, this is cute. So you have a leopard one. How cute is that? Then you have this, like, I call it like a 70s print. Like if you go to a 70s party, it's like this feathered look. I forget what it's called, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And then last but not least, they have this army fatigue band. So you have different choices and it comes with 5 different ones. They just pick 5 ones at random. So after that, you get standard wig cap, a new wig cap. Then they always include in their packages, I have another wig from them. It's like a little cosmetic case or pencil case, whatever you want to use it for. It says Luvme Hair on it. And inside, let's see what we got. We got a few bobby pins. If you want to bobby pin the hair down or use it later, you can. You have a stretchy band. If you want to include that into the back of the wig, you can sew that in there. You have a really cute clip that says Luvme. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. I love when companies include stuff like this. Like, that's like free promotion and branding once you wear their hair. I'm sure you're gonna put the little clip in like Luvme. That's cute. And then we got some tweezers that also say Luvme on it. That's really cute. If you want to, if you had a wig that you want to pluck or something, you'll have tweezers. Girl, they got you covered. And last but not least, oh, I got one more thing. You got a little edge brush with the comb. I've already done my edges, but if I weren't to have done it already, I have my brush. Thank you, Luvme Hair. And then I have like this little band. I'm not really sure what's going on with this. I don't know. It has like this wire inside. And I know I was looking at a video yesterday when somebody had like some curl bands or something, and you put it around, you can put the hair around it and leave it in overnight and your hair will be curled without any heat. So I don't know if that's what that is. Y'all let me know down below in the comment box what you think it is, if you have one, whatever. And the last thing I see in the box is like a little pamphlet about how to care for your hair, frequently asked questions, how to use your wig, returns, and refunds. So that is everything that's in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and get into installing this headband wig. Okay, so like I said, this is a 16-inch wig. This is my first time trying a headband wig, but this is the funny story of how I got it though. Luvme Hair does, I guess, live Instagram lives every night. So there was a girl on there and she was doing a tutorial on a headband wig, and you know, all you had to do was just comment and you get entered into a drawing, I guess, or they just randomly pick someone to win a $50 gift card. So they had 2 winners. So the first winner, a girl won. I was like, oh man, I didn't get it, whatever. So I just kept commenting, like, girl, you look cute, you're doing a good job with the tutorial, and what do you know, I won. So I paid like $62 for this wig. They were running a promotion. I'm not sure if they still are. So yeah, it was originally like $149 or something like that, and I got the 25% off, and then I used the $50 gift card, so I paid like $62 for this wig. So that was my ghetto blessing, but I get to show y'all this wig since, you know, I got it for the low. So this is what it looks like right out of the package. It has this really cute curl to it. It's thick, but it's not like super thick, but it's a nice little thickness. And this is the band that it comes on. Well, that comes on it. You also have, let's see, the band is a Velcro band. So you close it, open it, and that goes in the back of your head. So on the inside, you have a comb in the middle. You have a comb on this side and this side. Then you have one in the back. You do not have any adjustable straps or anything, but I don't really think you'll need it for this wig since you do have the Velcro closure. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. I already have my wig cap on, and I did my edges already, and I have it placed back a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm doing from the back. I'm gonna put the wig on my head. And I'm gonna take the 2 Velcro straps and I'm gonna just attach those together. So that is nice and snug. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull this back because you want it to look as natural as possible. But you can use the combs if you want to. I feel like the comb, actually I'm gonna put the comb in the front. I'm gonna put the front comb in just to make it a little more secure. I do not have my hair braided under this. I just have it put back into a little ponytail. And I wanna kinda fold this over back a little bit because I don't want it as bulky right there. So this is what it's looking like. Then I'm gonna take, let's see. Take one of my headbands. I'm gonna just do the leopard one and place that right on over it. This is cute. Girl, you can call me like Taina or Selena or something when I'm wearing this wig. So it's one of those like knotted headbands. Do one of those. Okay, so I'm gonna comb this out a little bit. This is really cute and it looks very natural. There's so many styles you can do with this too. Like if you want to do like a half up, half down, you can do one of those. Do a little bun maybe. That'd be really cute. Yes. You can leave it down just like that if you want that kind of look. I'm gonna go ahead and see what this is looking like wet. So I got a little spray bottle here and I'm gonna just go ahead and just wet it and see what this is gonna look like. Okay, so this is the side that's not wet versus this side. And you can't see any tracks or anything with this. Like you won't see anything. The headband goes all the way to the back, so you won't see any of that either. is really pretty. So this is the side that's wet, and this is just the regular side. But I'm gonna continue to wet it a little bit more. So I like that really, really wet look to it. Okay. Ooh, y'all see that? Girl, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. If only we can go to an island or something right now. Girl, I'll be popping with my little curls. But for now, I just have my little Mai Tai in the basement or in the living room and act like I'm in Tahiti or something. So yes, that is this with the, if you wanted the wet look, and this is just dry. It's not really a big difference, but it gives it like a looser little curl when it's wet. And you can also put in a little mousse. This is the Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse 24 hour. I don't have any more of my wrapping lotion, but I would definitely use that. But let's see what this is looking like. Okay. Okay, so now you can really see how it's looking. This side versus this side. And this is the wet side. And this is 100% human hair, so you can straighten it, you can do whatever you want to it. You can wash this hair. That is so freaking cute. Oh, oh. Who is she? Who is she? That is Taina, girl. Yes, so make sure y'all go and get you some of this hair, this Luvme Hair headband wig. Like I said, you do get the 5 free headbands right now. You can push it back as far as you want, or you can have it closer to the front as far as you want. Girl, it's totally up to you. And this is a good style because you don't have to deal with all that lace on the front or any of that. You just pop it on and go. You see how fast I just did this? It's gonna take you like 3 minutes to do this hairstyle, and it looks like you sat in the salon for the longest, but you didn't. So one thing I did notice is that it gets a little longer as you wet it. So this is the length of the hair when it's wet. It's like a mid back. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wet the whole head, and I'm gonna give you a little shot at the end of what this is looking like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, girl, because I know you've been watching and you have not done it. So it's no shade, no tea, none of that. Just go ahead, go right below this video, hit the little bell notification next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every time that I do upload a new video. So till tomorrow, love you, Glam Dolls.